Chapter 1.
Sentences. Learn with me. Understanding sentences and phrases. On a sunny day, Max played with his dog in the park. After some time, they rested under a big tree, watching fluffy clouds move across the sky. Let's explore sentences and phrases using this passage. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought. It includes a subject and a verb, what they are doing. For example, Max was playing with his dog in the park. This is a complete sentence because it tells us who, Max. What, playing with his dog. Where, in the park. A sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop or a question mark. Other examples: my grandma goes for a walk every morning. Are you coming to the party? What is a phrase? A phrase is a group of words that conveys meaning but lacks a complete thought or idea. For instance, under a big tree. This is a phrase because it tells us the location but doesn't explain what's happening there. Other examples: number 1, in the garden. Number 2, after the rain. Spot the difference: sentence versus phrase. She is cooking dinner in the kitchen. Complete thought. After the long walk. Incomplete idea. Using phrases in sentences. Phrases can enhance sentences by adding more detail. For example, we had a picnic in the garden. He went inside after the rain. By combining phrases with sentences, we can create more meaningful ideas. Learn with me. Types of sentences. Look at the pictures below and read the sentences. The Eiffel Tower is in Paris. Will you go to the park with me? Take your pen. Ouch, this cactus is sharp. These examples show that sentences can be conveyed differently. They may be positive or negative, ask questions, express strong emotions, or give commands. These are the 4 main types of sentences. Sentences: assertive, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory. Assertive makes a statement. Example: the Eiffel Tower is in Paris. Interrogative asks a question. Example: will you go to the park with me? Imperative gives a command or makes a request. Example: take your pen. Exclamatory shows a strong emotion. Example: ouch, this cactus is sharp. Learn with me. Assertive and interrogative sentences. An assertive sentence tells us something. It makes a statement. An interrogative sentence asks something. It's a question. Maya visited a new park yesterday and met curious children who asked her questions. Rahul: what is your name? Maya: my name is Maya Kumari. Aisha: where do you live? Maya: I live in Mumbai. John: what grade are you in? Maya: I am in grade 4. Priya: who is your teacher? Maya: my teacher is Mrs. Mehta. Arun: when do you wake up? Maya: I wake up at 6 a.m. Sonia: have you brought your lunch? Maya: yes, I have. Ravi: how do you get to school? Maya: I come by car. The question asked by children are interrogative sentences as they ask for information. Maya's responses are assertive sentences as they provide information. Remember, assertive sentences make the statements and end with a full stop. Interrogative sentences always end with a question mark. Learn with me. Imperative sentences. An imperative sentence gives a command or makes a request. Read the sentences. Number 1, don't run. Number 2, stop talking. Number 3, please lend me a pencil. In imperative sentences, the subject you is usually not mentioned but is understood. For example, don't run, you don't run. Number 2, please pass the salt. You, polite request to pass the salt. Number 3, sit next to Aman. You, sit next to Aman. The subject implied in these sentences is you. Notice the punctuation in the following sentences. Number 1, close the door, command. Please close the door, request. Number 2, stand up, command. Please stand up, request. Come here, command. Please come here, request. An imperative sentence usually ends with a full stop but can end in an exclamation mark if the command is very strong. Learn with me. Exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences express strong emotions or surprise. They often start with words like wow, oh, hurrah, or alas, and end with an exclamation mark. Examples: wow, what a beautiful butterfly. Oh no, we missed the bus. How amazing the sunset is.